When I think of Cal Poly Pomona, I think of a vibrant, diverse, polytechnic university.
A university that celebrates its history and transforms lives.
It's a place where the professors bring their experiences to the classroom.
Where education keeps pace with a fast-changing world.
An education that's within everyone's reach.
When I think of Cal Poly Pomona, I think of our hands-on approach to learning.
Our students know how to apply ideas in the real world. I know our graduates are ready to make a difference.
The learn by doing philosophy is definitely what sets Cal Poly Pomona apart from other universities.
The process of learning by doing is a process that is, by definition, one that has surprises in it, that things don't go always according to plan. And that is actually beneficial. It's a good thing.
We don't limit what we do for our students to just being in the classroom.
Learn by doing really makes the textbooks come to life.
And it's not always about getting the right answer, it's about the process of getting the right answer.
It teaches you to think quickly, to adapt, to make the most out of a mistake, and sometimes getting to the end goal in a much more satisfying and organic way.
We want to encourage their creativity and their curiosity as to how things work, so that when they go out into industry, they're going to be problem solvers.
Learn by doing is possible because our faculty are both teachers and scholars.
Teacher-scholar is an individual who is first focused on teaching, but again realizes the importance of scholarship in order to bring the enhancement and the depth to that teaching.
When I think of Cal Poly Pomona, I think of the experience that the professors bring to the classes.
Bringing those experiences back to the classroom, it makes it more relevant to the students.
Partnering with the industry, taking their input in our curriculum, offering internships to our students in the industry truly keeps us at the forefront.
We know what industry expects of our students and how to best prepare our students so that they will have a job waiting for them when they graduate.
There are new technologies, new developments that our students need to know before they graduate so that they can actually meet the demands of the industry.
My education at Cal Poly and that opportunity of being a paraprofessional and what I learned spending so much time in the field with professional auditors put me leaps and bounds ahead of the competition when I graduated.
We have an incredibly supportive campus community, and within our classrooms we practiced the concept of a learning community where everyone is a part of a learning environment. We're all growing together.
We have an obligation to bring our knowledge from the classroom to the community to address pressing environmental and social problems.
I wanted a place where I could actually exercise my interest in social responsibility.
When I think of social responsibility, I think of kids having access to an education, to a higher opportunity.
I feel there's a sense of a hope, if you will, that the working class, they're children and has a future, and they're being taken care of by a fine institution.
Cal Poly Pomona offers an affordable education, a very affordable education for a lot of families that could not afford higher education at all. And many of these are students that are the first generation to go to college.
Everyone can come here and get a quality education, and like myself, be set with a career upon graduation if you work hard.
Cal Poly Pomona actually has a legacy, has a history. And it's a legacy of giving, I might say, that started off with the initial grant of the Voorhees property in 1938. And then W.K. Kellogg gifted the property we're sitting on right now today, the Kellogg Arabian Horse Ranch, to the state of California for use in 1949.
Cal Poly is just very special. It's a tradition maybe among American philanthropists to start great universities. And it turned out that Cal Poly Pomona was the university that Mr. Kellogg helped start.
I know he would be very pleased, thrilled to see what Cal Poly is doing today.
The next generation is going to be building the future of America, and Cal Poly Pomona is an institution that offers the educational background that are so fundamental to building the future.
Cal Poly Pomona is an extraordinary success story. When I think about tomorrow, when I think about the future, the possibilities are limitless.
Right now we're a superb university, but all dynamic universities have support from the outside.
With more sponsorship, we can take things to the next level and build upon the excellence that we have here.
The most powerful way to ensure sustained excellence is through endowment. Endowment goes on forever. Endowment builds on itself. It takes away from the highs and lows of the economy. We are ensuring the future.
The ability to give someone a scholarship is almost like you're seeing their potential without actually getting to meet them. So I appreciate them taking that risk on me, and I hope that I can fulfill that promise to them.
I remember when I was a student in my junior year, I received a grant. At that time, it was a $600 grant, and to me, it could have been $1 million.
Donors provide opportunity. They are creating waves that will wear away at today, and in the process will build tomorrow.
This is our classroom.
Our edge.
Our community.
This is our moment.